Welcome to WordCraft. In today's episode, we're going to learn 5 simple blended words that you probably hear all the time. Let's dive in. First, we have the words break and fast. Put them together, and you get breakfast. It means the first meal of the day, breaking the fast after sleeping. For example, I always eat breakfast before school. Next, we have snow and man. When you combine these words, you get snowman. It's a figure made of snow, shaped like a person. For example, we built a snowman in the yard. Now, take note and book. Put them together to get notebook, a book of blank pages for writing. For example, I write my homework in my notebook. Next, we have bed and room. Combine them to make bedroom, which is a room in a house where someone sleeps. For example, I cleaned my bedroom today. Our last word is made by combining sun and flower. Put them together, and you get sunflower. A sunflower is a tall plant with large, bright yellow flowers that look like the sun. For example, we planted sunflowers in the garden, and they grew so tall. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember these blended words. What is a snowman? A man made of wood. A figure made of snow. A toy man. The answer is a figure made of snow. What does notebook mean? A book of blank pages for writing. A book of pictures. A book of games. The answer is A, a book of blank pages for writing. What is a sunflower? A small flower that blooms at night. A flower that grows only in winter. A tall plant with large, bright yellow flowers that look like the sun. The answer is a tall plant with large, bright yellow flowers that look like the sun. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun word lessons. See you next time.